situation here at the Congress headquarters.
You know,
see,
speaking of Mahal and allies, we are just getting news that Sharad Pawar has gotten on the phone with Nitish Kumar.
That's it.
What's going on? JVC Sriram, I think Sanju Verma.
That is what I was.
Nitish Kumar has been dialed by Sharad Pawar.
I think, people can reach out to anybody. There is absolutely no problem on that.
Can the BJP trust Nitish Kumar?
We have to wait for another 2 to 3 hours time, because what I'm saying is...
Nitish Kumar has 16 MPs.
He has got 16 MPs. Because Mirzapur, Samajwadi Party is leading with just 138 votes. Salimpur, 3,000 votes. Likewise, you have quite a few constituencies where it is still holding. Keri, 454 votes. So I think we are yet to call the election, particularly in Uttar Pradesh. I'm not saying the Samajwadi Party is not winning more than 30 seats. But the number which you're seeing now, 36, could come down.
But these moves are interesting. Sanju Verma wants to respond, then Suhail Seth. The phones are ringing.
Padmaja, let me first make it very clear. I think Suhail Seth made a very interesting point. All these guys from the other side, they've been abusing Rajiv Kumar, they've been abusing the election commission, they've been saying these elections are rigged, manipulated, EVM khatre mein hai, Samvidhan khatre mein hai, democracy khatre mein hai, Loktantra khatre mein hai. Guys, get a life. You've been abusing constitutional, statutory, autonomous bodies. Shame on you. But more importantly, I will say this. Whether Sharad Pawar has called up Nitish Kumar and whether people are getting in touch with Chandrababu Naidu, all that is not in the public domain for discussion right now. What is certainly very crystal clear is that the president, by virtue of past precedents and by virtue of what the constitution entails, will always call the single largest party and an alliance which was already formed in terms of a pre-poll alliance. Pre-poll, the JDU and the TDP have been with the BJP. The BJP is still the single largest party, and Prime Minister Modi is going to come back for the third term. Like I said, the numbers have been less than flattering, but be that as it may, there is no doubt that it will be the BJP-led NDA which will be in power in less than 24 hours from now.
But will it be a worry that now allies are going to flex muscle? Allies will now want their pound of flesh.
2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।